Hello, welcome to my channel. This I want to show you, this is a fresh mango, guys, green mango. Today I am going to show you how to make seafood salad with mango. Okay, this is mango. Okay, this is fresh mango, right? $4.99 a pound. This cost me about $4.50. First I'm gonna spread this one out. Take the green one out first, okay? Okay, clean all the green one out. Now, mango looking good, right? It's green mango. Green mango has a lot of vitamin C. Okay, first I'm gonna chop first. Chop. Okay, chop like this. Okay, I already chopped everything. Chopped right now. Okay, if you have this tool right here, that would be nice. Just go like this. See, papaya, green mango. Just chop off this way, okay? Very easy. Okay guys, chop mango already done. So let's get together to make a seafood salad. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Follow me. Okay guys, I'm ready. I'm gonna show you how to make salad. Seafood salad, guys. Okay, I have tuna. This is fresh tuna. This is what they call scallop, squid, mussel, crab, and shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a mango salad of this seafood. Okay, guys, let's go start it. Okay, this is all my herb. Gonna be red onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, spring onion, cilantro, guys. All the good healthy. I'm gonna show you how to make this salad with seafood sauce. The last ingredient is going to be mango, green mango. Remember, I just chopped earlier today, and papaya, just a little bit. Let's go make a good salad. Okay, first I'm gonna cook scallop and squid first, okay? Let's go cook, medium cook, not overcook, okay? Over here, just in the pot right there. So cook for just a few minutes. There you go. I don't want to eat raw, so just a little bit cook, okay? 50% cook. I don't want to cook too long. Take off the scallop first. Take off the scallop right here. Okay, take up the scallop first. Okay, time to take the squid out too. Don't want to cook too long either. Take it out, 50% cook. Okay, scallop and squid. 50% cooking already out here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook shrimp, mussel, and crab. Let's go everything in. Yeah, everything in. Same thing, I'm gonna cook by 50%. This already cooked, basically already cooked, but you don't want to overcook, right? Okay, it's already medium cooked, so go ahead, take it out, all of this, take it out. Oh yes, all the combination seafood, guys. Okay, so all my seafood here. Okay, let's go start it. Cooking with seafood sauce, dipping party sauce, hot gel sauce. Okay, this is hot spicy one. I'll show you how to make combination seafood salad of this my sauce. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, first dipping sauce. Go ahead. Dipping sauce. Okay, 1 big spoon. Hot sauce. okay? A dag anchovy sauce. Okay, half spoon. Fish sauce a little bit. Now let's taste. This is my own hot sauce. Lime juice. Could have lime juice first. Let's taste. Ooh, so good, guys. Oh my god. It's bomb.com. Okay, add on more fish sauce a little bit, okay? That's it. That's it again. That's how you do it, guys, okay? Make the sauce first. Oh my god, crazy good. Oh, so good. Okay, now the seafood I cooked early. Drop it down. Everything in. Just mix them together. Looks so good, right guys? Yum. Oh my god, that's crazy good looking. Taste it. Bomb.com, guys. Okay. Tuna fish in. Alright, everything in now. Mango, papaya, salad, get in. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. You don't believe this. This is so good. You should try, okay? Go ahead, make that because it's too good. Alright, now tomato in. Garlic, ginger, red onion. Alright, let's mix them together. Look like I need more salt because I put a lot of vegetable in here. Again. I know I need more salt. I'll just add on some more. Add on some more. This lime juice right here. Go ahead, going down all of this. Fish sauce some more. Tell you guys, go ahead, try to make this one. There's a lot of vitamin C. A lot of good stuff. It's a bomb.com. Spring onion, everything in, okay? That's it. So good. Go try to make that, okay? So good. Tell you. There you have it. Done. Put it in a place and eat. Look at this guy. Look how good it looks. Yum. And refreshing too. Better than eat sushi. You know, you go eat sushi, you don't make this way, you eat raw fish, but not this way. Better than eat sushi. This seafood sauce right here, make things happen. It's bomb.com, guys. I forgot about cucumber. You can put anything you like. Any vegetable, throw it down. Cucumber, guys. Asian cucumber, okay? That's why they call salad. You can put anything you want to put in there. Look at this. Ready to eat. Yep, ready. Okay, now, go ahead, put in the place, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. You should try, okay? Try. Let me know how you like it, right? Okay. Okay, the last spring onion, sparkle. Last spring onion Eat up everything. Everything good for you guys. Eat up everything, okay? There you have it. Combination seafood salad with sisu sauce, guys. And go ahead, enjoy. Happy Friday. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.